Today, we have a real story about Mark Zuckerberg, the person who made Facebook, and something really special that happened in a place called San Quentin Prison. About 3 years ago, Mark felt sad about how the justice system worked. But instead of just feeling bad, he decided to do something awesome that changed lives and showed how giving people a second chance can be super powerful. Mark wanted to make things better, so he found out about the San Quentin program. This program helps prisoners learn so they can have a better life when they leave jail. Mark didn't waste any time and decided to be a part of it and supported the program with money. He even visited the San Quentin prison to see how things were changing. Guess what? The program was making a big difference, especially for a guy named Ali Tambura. He had been in jail for 14 years and thought he had no chance. But when Mark visited, Ali felt motivated to change his life. Ali worked really hard to learn coding and, when he got out of jail, he applied for a job at Facebook. And guess what? He got the job. Mark even remembered him and said congratulations. This awesome story reminds us that everyone can have a second chance to make things better. Mark believed in giving people a chance, and it changed Ali's life in a big way. It shows that even when things seem really tough, giving someone a chance to fix their mistakes can lead to amazing things. And that's the real story of Mark Zuckerberg making a positive change in the justice system and how Ali Tambura's life transformed. Remember, everyone deserves a chance to make things right. Until next time, stay happy and believe that people can change for the better. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more content like this.